Welcome to my YouTube channel Earth of Knowledge.
Who is known as the father of computers? Thomas Edison, Alan Turing, Charles Babbage, Bill Gates. Correct answer is Charles Babbage. Who wrote the play Romeo and Juliet? William Shakespeare, Mark Twain, Charles Dickens, George Orwell. Correct answer is William Shakespeare. Who discovered penicillin? Marie Curie, Alexander Fleming, Louis Pasteur, Jonas Salk. Correct answer is Alexander Fleming. Who was the first president of United States? Thomas Jefferson, John Adams, George Washington, Abraham Lincoln. George Washington is correct answer. Who painted the Mona Lisa? Vincent van Gogh, Pablo Picasso, Leonardo da Vinci, Claude Monet. Correct answer is Leonardo da Vinci. Who is known as the Iron Lady? Angela Merkel, Margaret Thatcher, Indira Gandhi, Golda Meir. Correct answer is Margaret Thatcher. Who invented the light bulb? Nikola Tesla, Thomas Edison, Alexander Graham Bell, Michael Faraday. Correct answer is Thomas Edison. Who was the first man to step on the moon? Yuri Gagarin, Buzz Aldrin, Neil Armstrong, Michael Collins. Correct answer is Neil Armstrong. Who is
Please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.